If you're looking to set up project timelines in SuiteDash, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this video will walk you through everything you need to know fast. By the end, you'll have the skills to set up efficient, clear timelines that will keep your projects on track. So stick around till the end, because we'll also cover some alternatives that might just suit your needs better. First, let's dive into the basics of creating a project timeline. When you start a new project in SuiteDash, you can begin by creating tasks and subtasks. Each task should represent a significant step in the project. You can assign deadlines and set the priority level for each task. This is key for staying organized, especially when your project involves multiple moving parts. Next thing, let's look at how to adjust the timeline for each task. After you've created the tasks, click on the task to open its settings. Here, you can easily drag the task to set specific start and end dates. SuiteDash provides a visual calendar, so you can quickly see how each task fits into your overall project schedule. This makes managing your time a lot easier and helps you avoid overlapping deadlines or bottlenecks. The third thing to note is assigning team members to tasks. SuiteDash allows you to assign tasks to specific team members or clients. This is critical for collaboration and ensures that everyone knows what they're responsible for. It also helps in tracking progress, as you can check each member's completion rate. You can also set up notifications for when deadlines approach, so nothing slips through the cracks. Now, we're going to take a look at automating task dependencies. This is one of the standout features in SuiteDash. If one task can't start until another is finished, you can set up dependencies between tasks. This way, SuiteDash automatically adjusts the timeline whenever a task gets delayed, preventing any confusion about which task needs to be completed next. The next thing is tracking progress. You'll want to see how far along you are in your project. SuiteDash allows you to track each task's progress with percentages. You can view these percentages from the project dashboard, so you're always aware of where things stand. It's a great way to stay on top of your timelines and make adjustments before it's too late. Lastly, let's talk about collaborating with clients. If you're managing a project that involves clients, you can share the timeline with them directly through SuiteDash. This means clients can see progress in real time and stay up to date on any changes. It's a useful feature that keeps everyone on the same page without the need for endless email chains. Before we wrap up, I'll be honest. While SuiteDash offers solid project management tools, there are alternatives that might suit your needs better for creating clear, visual timelines. These tools often have more intuitive interfaces or enhanced features that might better support your specific goals. Now, remember, if you're interested in trying SuiteDash, I've got an exclusive extended free trial just for you through the link in the description. But don't go just yet, make sure to check out the alternatives I mentioned earlier, which also offer great free trials. These could be the perfect solution for your needs, and through my link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available elsewhere. Check the description for the best deals and start your free trial today.